Suffixes S, ES, ED, ING. A suffix is a group of letters that are added to the end of a word to change its meaning. The original word is called the root or base word. The suffix S and ES means more than one. For CVC or VCE words, add S to the root word. For example, caps, capes. For words ending in CH, S, SH, X, or Z, add ES. For example, foxes. The suffix ED means it happened in the past. For example, now I bike, yesterday I biked. For words ending in E, add D to the root words. For example, biked. For CVC words, double the final consonant and add ED. For example, hopped. For words ending in two consonants, add ED. For example, mashed. The suffix ing is usually introduced in its simplest form to mean that the action is happening now, as in, they are walking. For words ending in a consonant, double the final consonant and add ing. For example, hopping. For words ending in E, drop the E and add ing. For example, riding.